Here's the update video on the 151 mutt. Got this filled in, fixed. No more cancer there. Replace this. Rebuilt this. Do some Bondo. Most of this built. I got one little hole here I still gotta fix. Built new repair cross member. I gotta put the floor in. Built new frame cross member. Patch plate on the frame rails. Welded a new rear cross member. Hurt toolbox lids. New corner piece. Getting ready to weld my replacement patch panel in. Place this side and got it all fixed up. Fix this. Repaired all this. Still have ways to go. This is what the floor, that side looked like. This side still got a bunch of cancer I gotta fix. I've not really worked on this side, but I'm getting there. Got a new floor put in it. So I gotta grind my welds down here, do some more patchwork on this mount. Got all this rebuilt. Just gotta sand it flush. Just has like that side. And the inside flush. But I'm getting there. It'll be ready here in probably 4 or 5 more months.